Hello friends, again I welcome all of you. Today in 10th standards English we are going to learn 1.3 Basket Full of Moonlight, a poem translated by Sunil Sharma. Actually the poem is written in Dogri language. The poem is very beautiful because it depicts the feeling of a child, the feeling of a boy who requests moon to give him seeds of moon. He wants to sow those seeds of moon on the sides of path. As his father works in city and he gets late, therefore he wants his father to reach early at home, and therefore he requests moon to give him seeds of moon. That is all given in this poem. Let us understand the poem stanza wise. So here we have the first stanza. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. See in this first stanza, he requests, the boy requests, he pleads moon to give him seeds of moonlight, to give him seeds of moon, maybe basketful or two basketful. He requests moon to give him those seeds so as he can sow them on the sides of path. So in this first stanza, if you look uh, properly, you can find that the first stanza is nothing but the best example of alliteration and repetition too. Here we can find the figure of speech, alliteration and repetition. Now the next one. From the city to my village, on sides of path, I want to sow many small moons of light. See, he wants seeds of moon. He wants to sow them from city to village. Actually, village is far away from city, and therefore he wants to sow them. He wants to sow those seeds of moon on the sides of path. Therefore, he requests the moon here to give him seeds of moon. Now see, the whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on their way back, as my village is quite far. Village goes to city. The population of the village goes to city to work. And therefore, whenever those people return at home at the evening time, they get late and it becomes dark on their route at that time. Therefore, he wants to sow all those seeds of moon on the sides of path. One important thing is that the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Here he says, population goes to city to work. In that population, his father is also there. Now, whenever his father returns at home, it is darker time, it is evening time or darker time. There is no light at all. Even the route is very tough one. The route is full of snakes and scorpions. Therefore, he wants to sow those seeds of moon. Even at that time, there is neither cart or nor bus flies, means doing up down. No bus or no cart does up down there. So therefore, his father gets late at home. He reaches late at home. When he reaches at home, the child is saying that he is asleep at that time. So he cannot speak with his father, and therefore he wants to sow those seeds of moon on the sides of path. Now friend, in this stanza, see the line, I want to sow small moons of light. In this line, you can find repetition figure of speech. So in this way, we can find that he wants these seeds of moon. Again, what happens there, see, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. See, when his father reaches at home, it is very late. At that time, that child is also asleep. Now his father goes to work, goes to city early in the morning. At that time also the child is also asleep, or that boy is also asleep. So in the morning time he cannot speak with his father. At the evening time or night time he even cannot speak his father. So he is very careful about his father specifically, and we can find that that is why he pleads, he requests moon to give him seeds of moonlight. Again, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on a loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Yes, this stanza depicts his intention. This stanza clarifies his purpose. He wants his father reach early at home. He wants his father to reach early at home. Therefore, he requests, "O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight." Basket full. He wants basket full of moonlight. Not only he want those, but he want those on loan. He want those basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father return early. He wants to sow those seeds of moon on darker route. He wants to light that route so that his father can reach early. That is all given here. Again, one important point is there. He wants to listen fairy tale and stories from him. As his father gets late or he reaches late at home, at that time this boy, the child, is already asleep. So he cannot listen, he cannot hear stories or fairy tales from his father. Therefore, he requests the moon to give him seeds of moon. Now, in the last stanza, "O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of path." Again, the last stanza is of the same type. Again, last stanza there is a request. "O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight." He wants basket full of moonlight. He wants seeds of moonlight to sow on the sides of path. And in this way, you can find that this is a very beautiful poem which depicts his emotions, which depicts his feeling about his father. He wants to listen stories from his father. He wants to listen fairy tales from his father. And you can find that he cannot listen those stories, listen those fairy tales from his father. Therefore, he wants his father to reach early at home, and that is why he is requesting moon, he is pleading moon to give him seeds of moonlight. That is all given in this poem. Okay, thank you friend.